like this, you obviously adjust down your fair value read. And that means that the fair value now is 85, and that's exactly where we are just now, is that 85. Now, you don't know that's going to happen until it happens. Before they put that liquidity in at 30, the fair value was obvious. It was 95. As soon as they put that liquidity at 30 and it holds, the fair value price drops to 85. So if you're buying, say, at 80 for the 95 fair value, then you close out that trade because you're at fair value already, and you just say, okay, fair enough. And you take a 1 tick, 2 tick, 3 tick profit on the deal, and you get ready for the actual release here. So it was a pity. You know, obviously you could have bought some 80s here for a 10, 15 tick upside, but when they added that liquidity, that upside was taken away from you. You just had to stand on the sidelines and just take your profit for 1 or 2 ticks going into the numbers here. So we're just coming into the numbers now, guys, just coming into the numbers. The majority of the thick book kind of poppers at the moment are bullish, so it'll be interesting to see if we get a break sell and then the buyers start showing up at 60s and 50s and 40s. So that's what we're going to be watching just now, to see if we get a break sell here for a buyer to come in at 60s, 50s and 40s on the way running through to that level. So we'll find out in 5 seconds, guys. Well, it did exactly what I said it was going to do, didn't it? So I said we would expect to see it breaking into this, the buyers into this level, which was obviously populating the 50s, the 40s, and the 60s, the 50s, and the 40s. It traded into the 60s, the 50s, and the 40s. The buyers came in at 45, 55, and it's just driven back up to 80. So you can see it did exactly what we said we were looking for it to do on this occasion. It was absolutely inch perfect. The buyers came in as expected, pushed the price back up to the 80s. We called it before it happened. I don't know if Kim recorded that, but we called it before it happened. We said what we were expecting. It did happen as we expected, and if you decided to take advantage of that information, congratulations, you've just made a very nice profit. Well done, laddies.